Math 102, example 4.1.2, composition of functions. When we see this notation, we read that as f composed with g, although most people just say fog, which is okay. And we define that as f of g of x. We're taking the second function and putting it inside the first function. So if I have f of x is 7x plus 2, and g of x is 4x minus 3, let's find fog. So again, that is f of g of x. What is g? Is 4x minus 3. And then what does that notation mean? That means everywhere in f that I see an x, I replace it with 4x minus 3. So I am not multiplying, I'm replacing x with 4x minus 3. And then let's distribute and simplify. And I get 28x minus 19 for my answer. What if I'd like to compose the other way? If I want to find goff, g composed with f. So that is g of f of x. I've got the same functions, so f is 7x plus 2. And again, what does that notation mean? It means everywhere in g that I see an x, I replace it with a 7x plus 2. And then once again, let's simplify. And I get 28x plus 5. One thing that I would like to notice is that my answers for part A and part B are different. So even though the two functions were the same, I got different answers. And that means the order in which I compose makes a difference. So make sure to compose in whatever order the problem tells you to compose.